We took a train from Bordeaux to Paris at around 10 am and reached Paris in the afternoon. We checked into our hotel Ibis Paris Gare du Nord TGV. After breakfast at the hotel, we boarded a hop-on hop-off bus to visit the various points of interest scattered around the city of Paris. Paris, the cosmopolitan capital of France, is one of Europe's largest cities. Located in the north of France on the river Seine, Paris is one of the most beautiful and romantic cities in the realms of culture, art, fashion, food and design. Dubbed as the city of light and capital of fashion, it is home to the world's finest and most luxurious fashion designers and cosmetics, such as Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior, Yves Saint Laurent, Guerlain, Lancôme, L'Oréal, Clarins, etc. A large part of the city, including the river Seine, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city has the second highest number of Michelin restaurants in the world after Tokyo and contains numerous iconic landmarks, such as the world's most visited tourist site the Eiffel Tower, the Arc de Triomphe, the Notre Dame Cathedral, the Louvre Museum, Moulin Rouge, and Lido. The entire day we traveled through the city through its various hop-on hop-off routes, soaking in the wondrous sights. We finally disembarked at Notre Dame, but could not enter the cathedral as it had already closed for the day. So we photographed the beautiful and grand exteriors. Notre Dame is a medieval Catholic cathedral which was consecrated to the Virgin Mary and considered to be one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture. Next we boarded the night hop-on hop-off bus for views of the gorgeously lit nighttime Paris. photographs cannot do justice to the thrill of driving through nighttime Paris. After breakfast, we went to the jewel of Paris, the Eiffel Tower. We had to wait in a long queue to go up the elevator to the viewing platform of the tower. The view of Paris from the top leaves one breathless. It also houses a picture museum detailing the history of the museum. We had coffee and some snacks at the cafeteria near the top of the tower. Our next stop was Les Invalides, the final resting place of Napoleon Bonaparte as well as a memorial to France's military. As evening approached, we enjoyed a boat cruise on the River Seine to get a glimpse of nighttime Paris from the river. The cruise ended with the magnificent show of sparkling lights on the Eiffel Tower. came back to our hotel fully tired but also fully satisfied with our day. After breakfast, we went to the famous Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum is the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. It is located on the right bank of the Seine. Approximately 38,000 objects ranging from prehistoric times to the 21st century are exhibited over an area of 72,735 square meters. The Louvre receives millions of visitors every year, making it the most visited museum in the world. We finished our tour of Louvre after seeing the famous painting of Mona Lisa. We came out of the museum and sat below the glass and pyramid, which was designed by Chinese-American architect I.M. Pei. The main pyramid is surrounded by three smaller pyramids. We then visited the beautiful Sacre Coeur, which is a Roman Catholic church and minor basilica, dedicated to the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Our next stop was at the beautiful Luxembourg Gardens with its fountains, statues and small palace. Our final stop for the day was the impressive Pantheon, the temple of the French nation.